Welcome to Naija. Do not say I'm Okoye Philip, and I'm about to take you on a guide on how to change your password. You can change your password while logged in by going to the user icon section at the top right section of your screen. Hover down to the account settings. This takes you to the account setting page. You click on password just right below the account settings there, and then you have an option now to change your old password into a new password. So let me enter my old password. Okay, now I want to change my password to something new. Let me enter the new password. This is the new password of my choice I've entered. It's different from the old, so let's save this now. So now the information is changed. So let's try to log in using the old password and see what happens. I'm entering my old password right now, and boom, it tells me these credentials do not match. So let's try to use my new password. And boom, I'm in. So that's done and that's done. Okay, so let's try if in a case where you forgot your password and you are logged out. If you forgot your password and you're logged out, just try to go to your login page and click on the forget password. You click on this. Once you click on this, you are requested to input your email. Put in the email which you use to sign up your account and send or request for a mail. Now we are telling you we have emailed your password reset link to you. So let's go to our email and check for that. Now this is my email, and just about immediately I received a notification here on resetting my password. So it's telling you are receiving this email because we received a password reset request from you. Reset password. Actually, if you didn't do this, someone might have imputed your email there in trying to change your password without your knowledge also. You just have to ignore this. Such a person cannot proceed from there. But if it's your intention, then you click on the reset password here, which opens a new tab and then takes you to this following page. On this page, you are requested to input your email again, and then your chosen password, your new password of choice. Confirm the new password of choice, and then you reset your password. And now boom, it's done. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching.